Production lines run around the clock, 24/7. But small issues often go unnoticed until it's too late, causing unplanned downtime, lost revenue, and operational stress. Webee's wireless, non-intrusive AI sensors are easy to install and quickly detect failures before they happen. Our sensors track vibration, temperature, and power consumption continuously. Webee analyzes this data in real time to detect anomalies, and when thresholds are crossed, Webee's AI escalates the issue to the right expert automatically. The expert reviews the anomaly with full context, data, history, and predictive models, and provides a clear recommendation in time to act. With Webee, your team stays in control, not just reactive, but ahead of the curve. Less downtime, less stress, and more efficiency. Webee, proactive maintenance, made simple.